Hello everybody. Do you know what is the best? That is to share the tip for you to take care of your health every day. Rice is a staple food from Asia, but did you know it can work wonders for orchids? Before we start taking care of orchids, don't forget to support us with a like and a subscribe. Okay, let's get started. If you keep buying orchids and they always seem to die, don't worry. I'm here to guide you and take care of them with you. Let's grow strong orchids together. We need to remove the old mud and moss when bringing a new orchid home because they may contain bacteria, mold, or pests that can harm the plant. If you're having trouble with language, don't worry. We provide subtitles in over 100 languages, including English, French, German, Japanese, Korean, Chinese, and more. How to change subtitles. 1. Click the settings icon on the video. 2. Select subtitles, CC. 3. Choose your preferred language. 4. If your language isn't available, select Auto Translate and pick your desired language. With just a few simple steps, you can enjoy the video perfectly in your own language. We cut off damaged roots and unhealthy leaves to prevent rot and disease from spreading to the rest of the plant. Removing them helps the orchid focus its energy on growing new, strong roots and fresh leaves, making it healthier and more vibrant. Where are you watching this video from? Drop a comment below and let me know. I'd love to see where our amazing orchid-loving community is from. We'll use aloe vera to wipe down the plant. It's packed with nutrients and natural antibacterial properties to keep your orchid healthy and thriving. Here's a new mind-blowing fact. Orchids don't grow in soil like most plants. They actually thrive by clinging to trees and absorbing moisture from the air. That's why they love good airflow and humidity. We're using garlic because it's a natural powerhouse. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties that protect orchids from infections, pests, and root rot. You know why orchids get stronger with rice? Because rice is packed with essential nutrients like starch, vitamins, and minerals that promote root growth and overall plant health.
Nước trong và ta sẽ bỏ lắng nhé. Lẫn vào với hai thứ.
Let's mix rice water and garlic water together. This powerful combo boosts root growth, strengthens the plant, and protects it from harmful bacteria and fungi. Your orchids will love it. We're going to use pine bark to grow our orchids. It provides great aeration, prevents waterlogging, and helps roots grow strong and healthy. Plus, it reduces the risk of fungal diseases, perfect for happy orchids. Don't forget to add some moss. It helps retain moisture and keeps the roots happy and hydrated. The leftover solution can be used to water other plants too. They'll absorb the nutrients, grow stronger, and thrive beautifully. After 3 weeks, the leaves have become noticeably greener, fuller, and more vibrant. They no longer look weak or pale, but instead have a fresh, healthy glow. This is a great sign that the plant is absorbing nutrients well. Meanwhile, the roots are also showing signs of strong development. At first, they were small and barely visible, but now, new roots are emerging, stretching out and becoming thicker. They look firm and healthy, which means the orchid is getting ready for even stronger growth. With just a little more patience and care, we're on the way to a thriving, beautiful plant. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope you had a great time enjoying this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any new orchid care tips. Goodbye, and see you again in the next video.